Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Power matters. Turn on the Zagg keyboard and confirm its battery is above 20% because low power prevents pairing. On your iPad, open Settings and tap Bluetooth so the device is discoverable. Leave the screen open while pairing. Put the keyboard into pairing mode, usually a long press on the Bluetooth key, until the LED blinks. Once done, your iPad will scan and list the keyboard. You'll select it in the next step to establish a secure connection. Now pair the devices. On the iPad's Bluetooth list, tap the Zagg keyboard's name as it appears. If the iPad displays a numeric code, type that exact code on the keyboard and press Enter. This verifies the link and prevents accidental pairing. You'll see a spinning icon, then a connected status. Wait until it reads Connected. Once paired, open Notes and type a quick sentence to confirm keys and layout. If it types wrong characters, check layout and repeat the code step to re-establish correct mapping. Finish by tuning settings. Go to Settings General Keyboard to set layout and shortcuts so your typing matches expectations. If pairing fails, reboot both the iPad and the Zagg keyboard, then repeat the pairing steps. Simple reboots clear temporary Bluetooth faults. If problems persist, reset the keyboard's Bluetooth memory or check for a firmware update from Zagg. These fixes resolve mismatched profiles. One key troubleshooting tip: unpair any duplicate device entries on the iPad before reconnecting, because duplicates often block proper pairing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.